Hi, honey, we're at the zoo.
How much did it cost us?
$3.
If it was free, it's for me.
If it's free, it's for me.
It's a princess holding a pink phone.
And it's a princess. Where's my pink phone? Thanks, honey, for videoing. Love it. Look at the butterfly. And the caterpillar. What?
Fly away, butterfly. Back up. Now stand in between or stop. Yep. Now flap your arms.
No, I will not.
Flap your arms. The way I'm standing, it looks like you're a butterfly.
Good.
Flap your arms. Hang loose. Aloha. Hello. And say hi to the bird.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi. No, it's really real quiet.
Hi.
Pretty bird.
Hello.
Hello. I don't actually want this. The human gave it to me, but I don't really want this. I don't know where the food's at.
Look at the money.
Even stray birds are coming. Making noise.
Talking. Probably saying hello. Hi, people. Yeah, look at Oh my god. Yeah, I'm looking at it. It's so pretty. I know. That reminds me so much of Chelsea. Shopping.
They're together. They seem together.
Oh my god, they're so close.
This is not the biggest before. I swear to God. You'll see inside the video.
That's like dogs.
It is on the phone. Is that hard?
Yeah, they don't meow and they don't purr. They don't roar either. They trust.
Oh, they don't lower?
Yeah, it goes like, well, I think they do, but not as often. They go like, it's like a
It's that white one. Are you taking any pictures?
No, it'll be better quality on Carl's video.
Okay. Because all these, I forgot to tell you, all those pictures I took yesterday for some reason didn't come out. I don't know. I know.
Because the quality wasn't good.
Oh, is that why? Okay. But you said
Like,
you said you
but
could
I
look,
got,
looked it up, right?
yeah,
Look at the middle.
I know.
But before, like when you were down lower, like where I first called you from, the tiger was literally right there, like right there. It was such like this look close. I told you, like, this is the closest I've ever gotten. You know. Although it is not.
I know, me too.
I'm such a